Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Chatgpt to light mode. So to do that, let's head over to the Chatgpt of our phone. So here it goes. So I'm heading over to the two lines on the top left. Now go to your profile. Now go to personalization option. Now here you see the option of color scheme. So if you have as you can see, it is system or default set. So I have dark theme in my phone, so it is showing me dark. So if I want to change the color to light, so what I will do is just to tap on light and tap on OK. So as you can see, the ChatGPT is changed to the light mode. Here, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll reach you out. Hope to see you in the next video.